Today, we are going to show you how to install artificial turf on a hard surface. To do this, we are using the glue down method. Follow along as we go through the step-by-step process. Use a power washer or hose to clean any debris, gum, grease, or oil from the installation area. Use a leaf blower to help dry the surface. Make sure to let the area dry completely. Unroll and position the turf on the surface. Allow the turf to relax for at least 1 to 2 hours. This helps prevent wrinkles to allow for proper adhesion. Carefully cut the turf to fit the space. Use a sharp utility knife, carpet knife, or turf cutter. If your installation requires multiple pieces of turf, connect them by using seaming tape and glue. If using self-adhesive seaming tape, place the seaming tape adhesive side up where the 2 pieces of turf will join. If using standard fabric seaming tape, like we are in today's project, place the textured side face up. Apply turf glue to the seaming tape. Carefully align the edges of the turf. If necessary, agitate the edges to help blend the seams. Use a high-quality turf adhesive specially designed for artificial turf installation. Apply the glue to the surface. Be sure to apply the adhesive evenly to avoid bumps or uneven adhesion. To conserve glue, you can focus on the perimeter of each turf panel and light attention to the center of the space. When using this method, a gallon of glue can cover approximately 450 to 600 square feet. Carefully lay the turf onto the adhesive-covered base. Make sure the turf is properly aligned and avoid trapping air bubbles. Stretch the turf using a carpet kicker and use a heavy roller over the entire surface of the turf. This will ensure good contact between the turf and the adhesive. Once the glue is cured, trim any excess turf along the perimeter using a sharp utility knife. In today's project, we are adding a finished edge. Use nails to secure the finished edge. If you're using infill, distribute your material evenly over the entire turf area using a drop spreader or by hand. Brush the infill into the turf using a power brush or stiff bristled broom. Repeat the infilling and brushing process until the desired infill level is achieved. Brush the turf a final time. Clean up the area by removing any debris or excess infill from the installation area. Enjoy your brand new low-maintenance artificial turf area.